I cannot do this. Not today. I have been sitting the entire day, Lord is my witness, the entire day trying to create a video for today, and this is what I came up with. A piece of paper with some scribbles. Yeah, I was trying to write a script or to create a concept or to choose one of my 279 video ideas to execute on, and I just couldn't. I don't know why. I have absolutely no idea. I did everything you would tell a person who has creative burnout to do. I went outside, I went for a walk, I read a book, I took a break, I did something else, all of that. Nothing worked. Nothing. This is the video for today. Why am I sharing this? No idea. I mean, I guess I want to document my struggles, and also sometimes creative people are not creative, and this is one of these days for me. I just can't do this. Not today.